E-Line Ultra Repair Treatment with Oleo Complex, formulated with avocado, safflower and jojoba oils, featuring 3 products for a deep repairing action. Dry hair needs hydration, nourishment and shine. This treatment reveals the hair fibers, repairs damaged hair, conditions, nourishes and adds elasticity and shine. Wash with the dry hair repair shampoo. It revitalizes the hair, providing the nutrients that damaged hair needs to become healthy again. Apply E-Line Repair Mask on washed hair and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, preferably with heat. Apply the E-Line at 22 no rinse nourishing emulsion. It conditions and moisturizes dry and damaged hair. This lightweight emulsion helps to untangle, adds elasticity, vitality and shine, and it features a unique texture that has a high affinity to the hair fibers. The result? Balanced hair full of elasticity and shine. Always apply the mask and emulsion from mid-length to ends, never at the root.